Our respectful Your Excellency Ambassador from Burma and the official staffs of the Embassy of the Union of Burma. We are now here. We are the very simple and very sincere and very humble one of the national ethnic groups in Burma. We are Kachin. We are comprised with 6 minorities. Now, as you know, since 2010, in the month of April, the military government, you broke your promise. Military government lied upon us. Military army started attacking our area, our land. Our people are now being executed. Our young ladies, our women are being raped. Our homes, our assets, our properties are now being burnt down. More than 70,000 internally displaced Kachins. They have to abandon their houses, their property, their land. Now, with a lot of misery, with a lot of troubles, they are staying in the jungle. They are refuging near the border. Dear Ambassador, Your Excellency Ambassador, we would like to plead what we suffer here, what we want to talk to our government. We want President Kachin and his government to be fair, to know who the national ethnic group are. We have been very faithful to our country. We worked, we struggled together with General Aung San once to achieve our independence. General Aung San promised once, after 10 years, all of your national ethnic groups will be getting your own independence, your own decision. But even though, even we are now 40, 50 years after independence, we all are oppressed by military government. Before, we are oppressed by Newing and military government. And then, also now, it is only, even if we name it democratic way to they are working on the democratic way, even though they are telling they are doing the according to constitution. If all the constitutions are dubious, is it trustworthy? We do not trust in our constitution. Since 25% of the parliamentary seats are taken by the military and related personnel, how do it become the fair and the square, the constitution? It is a dubious constitution. Your Excellency Ambassador, here we would like to plead for our people We are not intruding the mainland of Burma. We are not intruding other ethnic group or other land, other people. We are the one, our land is all now being intruded. Our people are now being tortured. Our people are now being killed. You are using the ultimate military forces. According to internal military affairs, Burmese military government never used such kind of military forces to eliminate our people, our ethnic group. Your Excellency Ambassador, you are the knowledgeable and educated personnel. So you are appointed and you are working here. Please relay our plea. We are the victims. We Kachin are the sufferer. We are the not sexual servant. Now Burmese soldiers are now raping a lot of our ladies, a lot of our girls in our place. They are killing without any discipline. Even they killed on the 26th of March. They buried 5 people alive, including 3 women. Why? And also, not too long, in the village of Namsanyang, 2 people were killed. One named Kotiwin, he was tied his hand and leg, and he was burned alive. What are you doing? What the military soldiers are doing in Burma? Your Excellency Ambassador, you are the only person to relay our message to Thein Sein and his government. And also we want Your Excellency, please encourage your government not to obey the military orders. For 40 years or more, military soldiers, military armies, they kill a lot of different our ethnic groups in Burma. The Karens and Mon, Yakai, Kachin, a lot of nationalities have been persecuted for many years already. Our loving Your Excellency Ambassador, I would like to plead on behalf of Kachin people, on behalf of the victims in Burma, on behalf of sufferers in the northern part of Burma, as well as on behalf of the Kachin people abroad. I would like to plead 3 points here. 1, to stop immediately the military hostilities in Kachin ethnic areas, and to urge USDP government to withdraw Tamador. Tamador means military from all Kachin areas. And number 3, to start genuine political dialogue. I would like to plead again to stop immediately the military hostilities in Kachin ethnic area. To urge USDP government to withdraw Tamador from all Kachin areas. And then to start genuine political dialogue.